Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to tell if someone may have blocked you on an iPhone. Keep in mind that Apple doesn't notify you when someone blocks your number, so there's no way to know with 100% certainty. However, there are a few signs you can check. First, open the Messages app. Open the conversation with the person you think may have blocked you. Send a message. If you see delivered underneath your iMessage, your message reached their device, so it's very unlikely that you've been blocked. If you see red, it means they opened your message, so they definitely haven't blocked you. However, if you don't see delivered, it doesn't automatically mean you've been blocked. Their phone could be turned off, they might not have an internet connection, or iMessage could be temporarily unavailable. Now let's check by making a phone call. Open the phone app. Find the contact and place a call. If the phone rings normally or the person answers, you haven't been blocked. If every call goes straight to voicemail without ringing, that could be a sign that you've been blocked. However, it could also happen if their phone is turned off, they're using Do Not Disturb, or they have poor network coverage. One more thing you can try is FaceTime. Open the FaceTime app and place a FaceTime audio or FaceTime video call. If the call connects, then you haven't been blocked on FaceTime. If it doesn't connect, it isn't proof that you've been blocked. The person may simply have FaceTime disabled, be offline, or not answer the call. Remember, none of these methods can confirm with absolute certainty that someone has blocked you. They only provide clues, and there are several other reasons why messages or calls may not go through. And that's it.